check the example. Here is an electric appliance is there, that is electric oven, which are having power rating 3 kilowatt, and we are using that 2 hour in each day. So what is the power consumption? Electrical energy consumed by the electric oven equal to 3 into 2, 6 kilowatt hour, and that is consumed every day. So in 30 days that total become 30 into 6, that is 180 kilowatt hour. Now if it is 4.5 rupees per 1 kilowatt hour, if the cost of the 1 kilowatt hour is 4.5 rupees, so the total cost become 180 into 4.5, that become 810 rupees. Now in our house several appliances are there. How we can calculate the total kilowatt hour of the all appliance? First we have to convert the power rating into kilowatt hour. Now total them, whatever appliance is there, first convert the power rating in kilowatt and then add them, add all the power rating of the appliance, and then this sum with multiply with time duration, whatever time that are used, then you will get the total kilowatt hour. And if you know the rate, if you multiply with that, you will get the cost. Now what are the heating effect of current? There are some heating effect of current. The amount of current passing through the wire. These are the three factors, 1, 2, 3 factors on which heating effect of current depends. Amount of current passing through the wire. If the current is increased, the heat will be increased. If current is decreased, that is heat will be decreased, and that is directly proportional to the square of the current. That means H directly proportional to I square. Similarly, that directly proportional to resistance, that directly proportional to 2. The formula then become H proportional to I square RT. So I can write H equal to I square RT joule, or H equal to 0.24 I square RT calorie. Now this is known as Joule's law of heating. Now let's check some numericals here. Here a bulb or lamp is there which are having rating 6 volt 12 watt, and that is connected with a series of 12 volt and resistor R. What is the purpose of resistor R? Why that resistor is used? From the math it is said the power that can consumed by this electric lamp is 6 volt, but it is connected to 12 volt. So it is necessary to reduce that 12 volt to 6 volt. For that the resistor R is used here. Calculate the value of resistor R. I have to calculate the value of resistor R. First I need to calculate how much the safe current can flow through it. I equal to P by V. P is given 12 and V is 6. So that is become 2 ampere. Now resistance of the filament when it will glow equal to V square by P equal to, we got 3 ohm. Now I am assuming the resistor R which is connected with the series with the lamp. So the total resistance become R plus R dash. R dash is 3, R we don't know. That becomes R plus 3. Now 12 volt is supplied here, and V equal to IR we know that, and I we have calculated 2. So I am putting the value of V and I, and there is R plus 3. So from that I got R is 3 ohm. That means I have to connect an external resistor with that lamp for reducing the 12 volt to a 6 volt, and that amount of resistor is 3 ohm. Resistance is 3 ohm. Okay, there is one more math is solved. It is said that in a 2 coils are there, and there is 2 resistance is connected with them. One is 3 ohm, one is 6 ohm, and there is potential difference 12 volt is applied there. You have to draw the circuit diagram. You have to draw the electrical energy consumed in 1 minute and electrical energy supplied by the battery in 1 minute. Let's check it. We have drawn this 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in a series. You can see that, and 12 volt potential difference is applied here. So total resistance, we know that if the resistance are in series, we can calculate that easily. Total resistance is 9 ohm. Now I can calculate the current also, because we know that I equal to V by R, and V is 12, R is 9, so that become 4 by 3 ohm. And we know that electrical energy consumed is the formula is I square RT. Okay, first I am consuming what electrical energy consumed by R1 resistance. So that is I square R1T. I have calculated 4 by 3, R1 is 3, and T is 1 minute, say 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, so there is 60. Now if you multiply them, you will get 320 joule. Similarly, we can calculate that whatever electrical energy consumed by 6 ohm resistance, we got that 640. So the total energy consumed equal to 960 joule. There is an alternative method by which you can directly calculate this all. We know that W equal to V square T by R. V is 12 and T is 60 and R is already calculated 9. So we get that 960 joule. In this way you can calculate the numericals. Okay, thank you and enough for today.